everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Theory and Experiments of Physics. I am especially taking lecture for who is preparing mppsc assistant professor exam. So yes, I am starting with the topic thermodynamics. So today I am taking the lecture on thermodynamic potential. So in the right side you can see that I have already written the thermodynamic potentials like internal energy, enthalpy, Helmholtz and Gibbs free energy. So one by one we have to solve this equation and find out the Maxwell relations, or we can say thermodynamics potentials. So from the first, internal energy, as we all know that the internal energy is the sum of kinetic energy as well as potential energy. But in thermodynamics we can take the equation, first law of thermodynamics, that du is equals to dq minus dw, and we all know that the dq is equals to ds is equals to dq by t. This is the equation for entropy. So dq is equals to t ds. So here tds minus pdv. Pdv is the work done on the system, work done by the system. So tds minus pdv. Now taking entropy constant. So the equation turns out P equals to minus of du by dv at constant entropy. And now taking at constant volume. So the equation turns out T equals to du by ds at constant volume. Now in next step we have to differentiate this P and this T with respect to this constant. So same, delta P by delta S at constant volume, which comes out delta I delta S, delta U by delta V. Okay, in our next step, differentiate this T with respect to volume at constant entropy. This comes out minus delta by delta V, delta T by delta S. Now comparing, this negative and this positive. Now comparing both the right side and left side of this equation. So we find out, on comparing, we find out that delta P by delta S at constant volume equals to delta T by delta V at constant entropy with this negative sign. Or we can write delta T by delta V at constant entropy equals to negative of delta P by delta S at constant volume. So this is the first Maxwell relation, or we can say first thermodynamics potential. Next is enthalpy.